Did you know that over 85% of the world's population now owns a smartphone? That's a staggering number, and it just goes to show how essential these devices have become in our daily lives. From communication and entertainment to work and productivity, smartphones have revolutionized the way we live, connect, and interact with the world. But, the world of mobile technology never stands still. It's a fast-paced, ever-evolving landscape where new innovations and advancements emerge at a dizzying rate. With every passing week, new smartphones are launched, cutting-edge features are unveiled, and groundbreaking trends redefine what's possible. Staying ahead of the curve in this dynamic environment is crucial, not only for tech enthusiasts, but for anyone who relies on their smartphones for, practically everything. It's about understanding how these advancements can improve our lives, simplify our routines, and open up new possibilities. So, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride through this week's biggest mobile tech headlines. From the latest smartphone launches to exciting software updates, we've got you covered. Let's face it, keeping up with the sheer volume of tech news can feel like trying to drink from a fire hose. Every day, we're bombarded with announcements, reviews, and opinions from countless sources. It's overwhelming to say the least. For the average consumer, it's nearly impossible to stay on top of every single update. Who has time to sift through endless articles and spec sheets while juggling work, family, and a social life? It's no wonder many people feel lost in the tech jungle, but here's the thing. You don't have to be a tech expert to stay informed. You don't need to memorize every spec or understand the intricacies of every new processor. What's important is being aware of the major trends and understanding how they might impact your digital life. That's what we're here for. We'll break down the most significant developments, separate the hype from the reality, and explain what it all means for you. This week has been particularly exciting in the mobile world. We saw the launch of the highly anticipated Phone X2, featuring an innovative new camera system that promises to revolutionize mobile photography. The device boasts a triple lens setup with advanced AI capabilities, allowing it to capture stunning images even in low-light conditions. On the software front, tech giant Pear announced a major update to its mobile operating system, Pear OS 16. The update brings a host of new features, including enhanced privacy controls, a redesigned notification center, and improved battery life. Pear OS 16 also introduces a new focus on user well-being with features designed to promote digital wellness. But perhaps the most talked about development this week comes from the world of foldable devices. We're seeing a surge in innovation in this space, with several companies pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The foldable phone Z, for instance, boasts a revolutionary hinge mechanism that allows it to seamlessly transition from a smartphone to a tablet. While all of this week's news is noteworthy, one development in particular stands out as a potential game-changer: the announcement of a new AI-powered virtual assistant. This isn't just another Siri or Alexa clone. This new assistant, called Athena, is said to be capable of understanding and responding to natural language with an unprecedented level of accuracy and sophistication. Imagine a virtual assistant that can not only schedule appointments and send messages, but can also hold meaningful conversations, provide personalized recommendations, and even learn and adapt to your individual preferences over time. That's the promise of Athena, and it has the potential to fundamentally change the way we interact with our devices. Staying informed about developments like this is crucial because it allows us to make educated decisions about the technology we use. It empowers us to choose devices and services that align with our needs and values. So what do you think? Are you excited about the future of mobile technology? Which of these advancements are you most looking forward to? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to check out our other videos and articles for more in-depth coverage of the latest tech trends.